Hello everyone, welcome back to Python Challenge series. In this video, we are solving level 2 of Python Challenge, the page titled OCR. Let's get started. When you open the challenge, you will see an image of an open book and below it a hint saying recognize the characters. Maybe they are in the book, but maybe they are in the page source. This clearly indicates that we need to check the HTML source code of the page. Looking at the page source, we can see below source code there is section saying find rare characters in the mesh below. And below that a huge chunk of text. If you look at text and hint, we can safely say that we need to find characters in this text. So we move to our code editor. Here we need to fetch HTML content and go through it. So we can use request and BeautifulSoup library. So we import them and fetch the data from URL using request. Our URL is and we fetch it using request.get. Now, if we get the status code as 200, that means we have successfully fetched the URL. Then we parse the data from URL to BeautifulSoup using HTML parser. Now, if we print soup.content, we can see that the text we are interested in is second to last of the soup.content. Now we get the second to last data, the interested data, into a data variable as a string. Now in this data we need to find a character, that is alphabets. So if character is alpha, we print it. And since we don't want each character to get printed on next line, we will simply add end as empty. Now running back this code again, we get the string equality. We copy the equality string and replace OCR with equality. And we solve the challenge using basic web scraping and string filtering. As always, the clean and well documented code is available in GitHub repository. Link is in the description. If you enjoying this series, please like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my channel. See you in the next level.